In this video, I'll show you how to set Cloudflare DNS for your domain, which can boost your website's performance and security by managing traffic intelligently. First, update your name servers at your domain registrar. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other provider. Replace the current name servers with the two provided by Cloudflare when you added your domain. Make sure DNSCC is disabled at your registrar to avoid any issues during this transition. Next, head to your Cloudflare dashboard and navigate to the DNS section. Click on Add Record to input all the essential settings that control how visitors and emails reach your services. Start by selecting the record type. For example, an A record points to an IP, a CNAME aliases your domain, MX is for mail servers, and TXT is for verification purposes. Then, fill in the name field like @ for the root domain or wwws for a subdomain, and in the content field, enter the destination IP or domain. Set TTL to auto, which is sufficient for most setups. Finally, choose the proxy status. An orange cloud enables Cloudflare's CDN and security, while a gray cloud keeps it DNS only. And that's it. You've successfully set up Cloudflare DNS, improving both the speed and resilience of your website. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate globally. If you run into any issues, Cloudflare's support resources are always available to help.